So far in the Oracle SQLs, we have covered the data definition language along with the constraints. Means now we can create a table with validating the table using the constraints. So let's see what about the data manipulation language. Any SQL commands using which you can add, remove or modify the data inside a table, you can categorize that inside the data manipulation language, or in short DML. So basically, whenever you want to add a new row or a tuple or a record, you can go for the DML insert statement. Similarly, using the update, you can update or change the existing record in a table. And you can also delete the data by using the delete keyword from a table. If in a single block you perform the number of DML activities altogether, you may call it the transaction. And for the transaction, you can go for the commit if you want to save the changes, and if you want to roll back the transaction, you can go for the rollback command. So these are all the things very basic related to data manipulation language. Now let's see what all commands are there inside DML. So here you can see insert, which will insert a new record. Update keyword will update the existing records using depending on the operator which you are using. Similarly, delete, if you will not pass any condition, all the records will be deleted. If you pass the condition, then any record which are satisfying those conditions will be deleted. Now merge. Merge will be combination of insert and update, means it will be a conditional insert and update in which we will go for the two tables at least. So that is all the introduction in this video. From our next video onwards, we will start implementing one by one all the DML statements.